And one day Saul had David cornered. They had him on a mountain. They had him surrounded, and there was no place for him to go. And David hid out. He was by himself, and he hid out in a cave. But Saul's army was coming up the mountain, and they were coming to the cave. But you see, God had told David he was going to be king, and Saul was going to kill him. And so David hid in the cave, knowing that Saul's army was almost at any moment going to come in and check out that cave. David hid in the back of the cave so that nobody could see him. What David didn't know, and he's standing there, he's there. He's got his knife, he's got his sword. He's going to try to protect himself when they come in. But what David didn't know, and what we learn from the writings of Josephus, a Jewish historian, that when David went in the cave, there was a little spider that was going to spin its web, and God gave that spider speed to be able to spin a web, and he spun that web in the period of time that the army is coming up the hill, and the web closed off the entrance to the cave. Now you could see through the web. All it was a spider web. And the spider web was at the entrance to the cave. So when Saul's men in a hurry trying to catch David that they know is on the mountain, they come by the cave and they look at it, but they see the spider and they see the web and they say, certainly nobody's back here, because if he'd come in here, he would have destroyed the web. So they went looking somewhere else. I want you to understand that when God says he's going to take care of you, if he got to get a spider to spin a web, if he needs an insect to protect you, your God can keep you no matter what you try to do.